In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to get the Epic Games Launcher to detect previously installed games. If you had uninstalled the Epic Games Launcher or reinstalled Windows, it won't automatically detect the game files that are already on your system. Rather than re-downloading them, which could be potentially hundreds of gigabytes, we'll do this simple workaround to get them back where they belong. So first things first, here in Epic Games, I can see that I have these two games showing up, but I have Destiny on my system and it is not showing up here. So what we're going to do is go ahead and open up the install directory where I have the game installed. I'm going to locate Destiny 2. This is the one that we're working on. I'm going to go ahead and rename this folder to destiny2.old. Then I'm going to go back to Epic Games and go to my library. And we're going to locate Destiny 2. I'm going to click install. Make sure that you have it going where you want it to. And hit install. It starts to download. Go ahead and open up the downloads thing, let it go for a sec, and then pause. Alright, from here we're going to go ahead and close the Epic Games Launcher. Exit it from your system tray. It's going to give you a warning saying your installations will be canceled. That's fine. Exit. Alright, now back here in your install directory, there's now a Destiny 2 folder that Epic Games just created, and the Destiny 2.old folder that we just renamed. Go into the Destiny 2.old folder and select everything and move it to the Destiny 2 folder that Epic Games just created. Just like that. And then we can go ahead and delete the Destiny 2.old folder now that it's empty. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the Epic Games Launcher again. Go back to your library, locate the game one more time. This time instead of install, it's going to say resume. Click that. And it's going to go back to the queue, back to your downloads, open that up, and now instead of downloading, it's just going to verify all the game files to make sure that they're all intact and everything looks dandy. So let it do its thing. As soon as it's done and everything checks out, it'll show up in your quick launch and you're good to go. I just did this with both Ark and Rocket League, so I know that it works, and we'll have the same result with this one. So just repeat that until you've done all your games and you're back to where it should be. Enjoy.